Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a look at the TizzyToy brushless motor drone, a model packed with features that make it appealing for both beginners and those looking for a capable yet easy-to-fly drone. This particular version comes in a sleek silver finish and boasts some impressive specifications right out of the box. First off, the use of brushless motors is a significant plus. Brushless motors are generally more powerful, more efficient, and more durable than brushed motors, meaning you get better performance and a longer lifespan from the drone itself. This is especially important for a drone designed for outdoor flight with a decent range. Speaking of range, this drone offers a maximum control distance of up to 4,000 feet, which is quite substantial for a drone in this category. Coupled with a beyond range loss alert system, it adds a layer of confidence when flying further out, letting you know if you're pushing the limits. The camera system is another highlight. It features a 4K resolution camera, capable of capturing crisp aerial footage and photos. What's particularly useful is the 90-degree adjustable FPV, first-person view capability. This allows you to remotely tilt the camera up or down during flight, giving you more control over your shots and perspective without having to maneuver the entire drone. The FPV feed is transmitted directly to your smartphone via the dedicated app, which also serves as the primary control interface for the drone. Battery life is often a major concern with drones, and this TizzyToy model addresses that with an advertised flight time of up to 40 minutes. 40 minutes is well above average for many consumer drones and provides ample time for exploring, filming, or just having fun flying around before needing to swap batteries or recharge. For flying indoors or in areas with limited GPS signal, the optical flow positioning system is invaluable. It uses a downward-facing camera to track ground patterns, helping the drone maintain a stable hover and position even without satellite guidance. This works in conjunction with the indoor obstacle avoidance feature, which helps prevent collisions when flying in confined spaces, making it much more forgiving for less experienced pilots or when navigating around furniture. Beyond the core flight and camera features, the drone includes some fun and user-friendly functions. Gesture photography allows you to trigger photo or video recording with simple hand gestures, which is great for hands-free selfies or quick shots. It also has the ability to perform 360-degree flips with a push of a button, adding an element of acrobatic fun to the flight. The drone is constructed using carbon fiber, which suggests a focus on being both lightweight and durable. The listed weight of 1 milligram seems like a typo, but the material choice indicates it's designed to be light yet resilient enough to handle minor bumps. Overall, the TizzyToy brushless motor drone appears to be a feature-rich package. With its 4K adjustable camera, impressive flight time, smart flight modes like optical flow and obstacle avoidance, and safety features like the range alert, it positions itself as a solid option. It's marketed as a gift for men and boys, and given its combination of performance, ease of use, and fun features, it certainly fits the bill as an engaging toy or a capable entry-level aerial photography platform. The app control makes it accessible for anyone comfortable using a smartphone.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.